Hello, everyone. Welcome to Global Sources Live Sourcing Talk. My name is Shella Berniola, and I will be your host for today's Supplier Stories, featuring the Taiwan Electrical and Electronics Manufacturers Association. In today's episode, we're going to delve into the role of AI, or artificial intelligence, and its transformative role in consumer electronics. From chatbots to predictive analytics and process automation, AI has redefined the way businesses and companies operate, bringing efficiency, agility, and customer centric function to the front line. Let's discover how AI has redefined the operations in consumer electronics. Joining us for the panel discussion are Christina Lin from Di-Jun Technology Company Limited, Grace Xie from Royaltek Company Limited, and Simone Wang from Pcnet. Without much ado, let's call on our first guest, uh, Grace Lin. Hello, Grace. Hi, Grace.
Hi,
Good morning.
good morning.
Welcome to Sourcing Talk. Where are you calling us from? Which part of Taiwan are you calling us from?
I'm from Taoyuan.
Okay, how's the weather there right now? Because here it's kind
Mm,
of gloomy, and it's raining.
It's a little bit rainy now.
Oh, it's the same. So, okay, can you tell us more about your company? Can you give our audience right now who are tuning into our live stream, give us an overview of your company and the products you manufacture and other stuff?
Okay, so I'm from Royaltek, and Royaltek is the global leader in satellite positioning and wireless communication technology, with a focus on providing advanced solutions for location awareness, automotive radar, AI visual with cloud solutions, and OEM ODM business to worldwide customers. And as a member of one of the Fortune Global 500 companies, Quanta Incorporation, we have established a strong reputation for our expertise in GPS and automotive navigation technology. And so for our products, we have three main fields. The first one is location awareness. We have like products like portable navigation device and in-vehicle infotainment system. And the second one is automotive radar. We have blind spot detection radar and parking assist system. And the third one is AI camera. We have products like driver monitoring system and around view monitor and so on. So Royaltek's vision is begin with creativity, process with productivity, and finish with quality. So we strive to deliver innovative and high quality products that meets the evolving needs of our customers in the automotive and technology industries. So we have a company profile video and just let's have a look. Thank you.
Okay, let's watch it. Go ahead. Hi, welcome back, Grace. Yeah, your products are kind of very interesting. So, in terms of like production, how did you come up with more like how do you integrate these features? Do you use like AI technology and integrating unique features into your automotive radar and navigating devices?
Yeah, so we have like AI products, like we use the AI deep learning and we use
Oh.
this kind of technology to improve our lives, such as we can see the driver monitoring system, and it can like
Mhm.
to reduce the potential risk that may cause the accident when if you are fell asleep or you're like distraction something. And like we have like the blind spot detection radar such as ADAS system, and
Yes.
this all of this can improve our daily lives, so we have these kind of products.
So I've noticed that most of your products are more on like vehicle accessories, like
Yeah,
operating devices. So other than those products that you've showed earlier, do you have like in the process like a new uh, design, a new invention that you're about to introduce this year and the coming years to come?
yeah, it takes a lot of time to for us to like to research development, but our purpose is to like to make the driving safety more and more
Of
safe, so
course.
we like to dedicate it to these kind of products, and then to like to use the AI technology to like to help us to achieve this kind of goal.
So in the R&D and production of your products, do you normally uh, based or use AI technology to come up with new designs? Like before you come up with like a new design to introduce for a specific market or to add to your existing catalog, do you gather data? Because as we know, AI allows us to gather massive data, and this you can use this data to come up with um, design or something. So do you usually do that, like gather some feedback from your customers and then use that information that you've gathered to come up with designs or new products that are actually directed or geared towards the needs of your target audience?
Yes, we basically we make a lot of research for our different customers because we know that we have to have large massive data so that can make the AI technology more accurate. So we like to we have customers comes around the world, so we get their feedback, and then we to like to improve, like to update our products to fit all of their needs.
Okay, so okay, before I will call on our next speak guests, do you
Yeah.
have anything to add? Like you could probably invite our buyers or the audience tuning in right now to check your website and your products, and send inquiries for the products that they're interested in.
Okay, so Royaltek is like to dedicated to the automotive area for years, and we have like many kinds of products that can improve our automotive safety. So if you have any like to interest, please come to our website, and it's our honor to cooperate with you. Thank you.
Okay, so don't go yet, Grace. I'm gonna
Yeah.
call you later on together with our other guests. So I'm just stand by. I'm gonna call you later. So let's call on our next guest. We have with us Christina from Di-Jun Technology Company Limited. Hi, Christina. I think I got mixed up
Hi.
the names of first. Hi, welcome to Sourcing Talk. How are you?
Hi. Morning.
How are you?
Fine. Yeah.
How's the
Today.
weather in your area?
Well, in the morning
Taiwan.
I got a heavy rain, but now, yeah, it's sunny.
Yeah, okay. You're calling from Taipei, right? If you're
Yeah, north of
uh,
Taipei. Yeah, yeah,
oh,
yeah, the
okay. So
Taipei city.
can you give us an overview of what your company does, the
Yeah,
products that you're
yeah,
selling?
yes. We are doing a mobile phone accessory. As you know, everyone have a mobile phone. So when you come in the morning and you cannot leave this kind the products.
Yeah, of course.
So we are doing,
It's
especially we are doing the screen protector and phone case, lens protector and cables. So all around the mobile. Yeah, mobile
okay.
phone. Yeah,
Every
so that is a
mobile.
daily. Yes, yes. Um, Di-Jun Technology. This company we start up from 2007, so almost 15 years until
Wow, that's a
now.
long
So
time.
yeah, even that my boss is really young, so we
Really?
just
Okay.
we just maybe we just the average I think the 14 years old age, yes, around in our
Okay.
company. So
Mhm.
we are very active. So always around this kind of product. So you will know the iPhone is very popular in the market. Of course,
That's
the
true.
Android
Mhm.
phone still in the market now. So
Mhm.
let's take a look for our video. So let me show you.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
sure. Go ahead.
So you can see that there is in the right one is a sapphire. The left one is
Mhm.
just a glass screen protector.
Okay. Oh, wow.
The sapphire, you know, is behind the diamond, so it's really hard.
Yes.
So sometimes when you use your phone, maybe you get a scratch on that. But this
Yes.
sapphire material is really, really hard, so you can avoid that the micro scratch. So you can durable. Yeah. So you
Oh,
see the glass.
wow.
So
Yes.
this you can change it to another one if it's break. So we developed the helper to easy install. So it's very easy when you want to change another one. Of course, the drop, the anti-shock is very important. Sometimes you drop down on the ground, so you might get the damage. So you look like the invisible.
Yeah. Glass.
We cooperate with the Corning glass. Yeah. So of course, the camera is really important. You have to take a picture, record your everyday life.
Yes.
Yeah. So very easy to install. So easy, just put it on. Just a few minutes. So you can get a fancy color because it can fit to your phone. For example, mine is the purple. You can change it to silver, gold, like this special color titanium. Yeah, it's blue light. The blue light is very damaging for your eye. So we developed this product to protect your eye because you might use 10 more hours in your daily life. Even to play the games or working or chat with your friend and serve online. So this is privacy. So you want to keep your secret on yourself. You don't want to share to other one. Maybe sometimes people want to to see something. Oh, that's a new one. We call it anti-reflection. It's very important when you use the outdoor. You cannot see very well on your screen, so you can see the left. This one you can see very clear when you use it, and very smooth and comfortable. That's the phone case. We use the military standard, so it's more protect your phone. Sometimes
This is like
drop.
military grade.
Yes.
Military grade.
Yes. Yeah, of course, there are a lot of different colors you can choose.
No, MagSafe.
Yeah, MagSafe. It's very important now. It's charging or sticks on the mount when you drive on the road. Yeah, so you can stick it on. So just very easy to remove. Even the power bank. Yeah, let's show that. So it's kind of draw the better one. Yeah, it's sometimes it happens. So if you wear the case, there's no damage.
Okay, thank you for that nice presentation. It's very interesting. So, in terms of like the difference between the standard, like screen and lens protector, you said that this is made of sapphire. So how does this like the process of making these products? Can you tell us a bit?
Okay. You can see this one like this is ours, the camera, right? But it is naked. If sometimes you drop down on the ground or you just put on your desk, it might hurt that. So if it hurt, you have to put it to the repair center to change that. That will cost you a lot of time, of course, the money. So if we just wear the lens protector and it's protect out of it, so it's avoid the damage if you just get a scratch or sometimes you drop on the ground. So the sapphire is really clean and hard. So you don't. It is just accessory, but it can save your time and money. So, for example, if it's hurt, is damaged, it's broke sometimes. This camera you need to change all the module here. So it will cost might be $300. It costs a lot.
Talking about US dollars or Taiwan dollars?
No, it's US dollar because you not only change this one piece, you have to change all these modules. So it's really, really costly. So our suggestion, you can change, you just wear the lens protector. It's just cost you $20 or $30 around based on your choice. So it's safe and potent. Of course, you can change the color. So it's a personality characters. It's just your style. Yeah, that's it.
When we talk about durability and like how long, the lifespan of this products. Like if I'm a user and then I'm a little bit careful in using my phone, less drops. But of course, drops and then the scratches, those are things that can't be avoided. So in comparison with like the normal, like the normal glass screens.
If you carefully like you, so you might be take a long time, maybe just a few years even. But if sometimes for my personal, I'm not really a gentle woman. I just put that. I just put on somewhere and just put my purse, put my bag, and just just give my kids, he will draw down the ground. So sometimes it hurts. Maybe you can use, if you care about that, you just slowly and gently put on the desk. Is you? I'm not. So this is just a accessory. So it's just a chance to protect your original one. So no worry about that, because the guarantee not the issue for this. That the most important is protect your original phone, so you can use for a long time. For example, now this iPhone you might use 2 or 3 years. You not just only a half year or just a month. No, you use the few years. So in our recommendation, we suggest you use that. The screen protector, phone case, even you choose a lens protector to protect your phone, to let in can use more time. Yeah, that's our suggestion for that.
Okay, moving on. So we're talking about AI right now, AI technology. So you use AI technology, right, in your company. So coming up with like the products to introduce to the market and to your customers, do you usually gather some data first from, using AI and then come up with a new design or a new product? So how does AI help in terms of, development and production of your mobile phone accessories?
Well, I have to say now we might use some AI technique on our processing. Not all of it. For example, we have to marketing this kind of product in the market. So we have to say a lot or write a lot of description for this product, to how to introduce this kind of product to market. So we might use some AI technique, for example, the GPT to write some description article for that. But just efficiency for our work, but we cannot use all of it on that. This is just beginning. So, and some web software to create some intelligent image. I think a lot of applications all for that now, but not everything. So I think this is a very interesting world, and we will focus and follow it and try to find a way for us to more easy for our job. I think that, yeah.
Yeah. So other than like coming up with like a description for your products, where else do you usually use AI in your, in the entire production process, design and production process of your products?
Yeah.
I mean, other than that one. So only that one. Like, what about quality control? Do you usually, because it helps in like automating some of the processes.
Yeah, I heard some information about this kind of product. I got I think this kind of shift, the designer use a lot of data search on that, this kind of product. They use the software, and for example, how to create, how is this one and another one, how is it difference, and a lot of technique on that. I saw a special product for scanner the outshift, they call the 3D dimension for this kind of product, and they create and how to fix it, how to change it, and a lot of data on that. So I think more and more this kind of technique will into this kind of the process and help our design to get a better special in the future product. Yeah.
Okay, thank you for that, Christina. So just stand by. I'm gonna call you in a bit.
Okay.
So so I'm just gonna call our last but not the least guest speaker for today's live panel discussion, Simone Wang from Pcnet Wire and Cable. Hi, Simone. Good morning. How are
Hello,
you?
everyone. Hi. How are you? I'm
Hi.
good.
What do you have us today? Do you have
Yeah.
anything? Yeah,
Yeah, let
share
me
us about
introduce
your
myself.
company.
Yeah,
Yes.
sure. Yeah, I'm Simone. I'm the regional manager at PCNet. Let me take a moment to introduce our incredible company, PCNet. Our company is doing the LAN cables production and has been raking the networking world, bring joy routers over 30 years. So we travel far and wide and spreading the selling meters across the countries, from Asia to Africa, Middle East to Europe, around the world, and also Americas. So actually, our cables are so impressive that we could probably wrapping around the world like 3 times over. Yeah. So now let's dive into the exciting world of PCNet and discover the wonders that store for the customers. So let's not all friends. Our products come armed and triple free parties certificates that make our cables green and envy. Let's talk about CE, ROS,
Mhm.
ISO, ETL, EC, and also UL. So our cables went to certificates college, like graduates with honors. So you might say, how about our RD teams? I would like to highlight our RD teams. Our RD crews brought over 50 years experience designing and producing the cables. And also our QC team also spark and awakening wine from the mile away. So they are specialized and showed cables in high frequency cables. Yeah. So this is the briefly introduction of my company and also our lane cables. Let's talk about more. Let's talk more about our products. So we have several solutions from each cables. For example, if our customer are looking for commercial usage, we highly recommend like a Cat 6, Cat 6A products. They are often ideal for video conferencing and also control system. If some customers are looking for like a smart home usage, we also recommend like a K5E and also Cat 6. And this is a perfect option for the customers. How about the data centers? Of course, we have some solution for data centers. Yeah. So we provide like Cat 6A, Cat 7, and also Cat 7A for data centers usage and also data transmissions. So they will be even more safe for these users. So talking about a lot of our products, why don't we just have a quick look for our promotion video and we can see how we are working on. Thank you.
Yes, let's take a look at that one. Oh, wow.
Oh. So our cabling ongoing is manufacturing across a lot of continents, and we have 5 manufacturing process, which including installation, pairing, roping cabling, jackets, and winding. So this is our factory.
Oh, it's huge.
So yeah, it's our storage. So during the installation process, we have a copper input and copper drawing are involved. So it's all followed by intrusion and also cooling. And for the grouping process, includes intention control pair-off and tension control tapping. So you can see the machine and also pairing. This is our machines. So after the pairing process and also grouping process, we are doing like a jacking, and we utilize a jacket printer and also take up producer. This is packing. There's a packing machines.
That's really nice.
Yeah. So it's all customized. If a customer wants the blue jackets or like white jackets, it's all customized, and also can put some customized prints on the outer jacket.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, okay, so I think we have a few questions for you. So, when it comes to like sourcing these types of products and, consumer electronics for that matter and other components, price is one of
Oh, yeah.
the considerations, for buyers around the world. So, have any customers inquired about cost reduction in your products? Like a buyer comes to you and is like, I want to order this number of wires, like maybe, how do you measure wires? Like 500 tons of electric cables, for example. So have they asked like
Yeah.
cost reduction? And when they do you normally, given to them, like give them a bit of a discount or something?
Yeah, it's a very important questions, and also I would like to highlight, because we value the customers and understand the importance of competitive pricing. And while we are driven to provide a very competitive quotation, we also take pride in being a company that emphasizes high quality products. So our focus is strike a balance between offering the competitive prices or also maintaining essential quality for our customers, because they are buying our cables and we hope they can get the best quality on these products. Yes.
Okay, second question. So, what are companies' plans for the future? Yeah, like this is like post COVID-19 now, and of course, most of the businesses are slowly picking up. So, do you have any plans for the future? Like maybe plans of introducing more innovative cables and wire?
Yeah, thanks for asking, Shallow. Yeah, looking ahead, our company is committed to embrace the advance of technology, just like the previous speaker said, such as AI and automatic manufacturing. And we are recently introduced innovative products like SPE cables, and it's designed for application in IoT, intelligent buildings, and even EVs. So our approaching is not limited to existing offerings. We are continuing exploring the opportunities for new products development, and also aligns with the market's needs and demands. Yeah, our blueprint is for the future involves around staying adapted, proactive, and ensuring our customers benefit for cutting edge solutions. So just like I said in the front, we are solution oriented products. Thank you.
Yeah, of course, like with in today's digital age, one has to keep up with trends and come up with something more innovative and, suitable for like the current technology, for example, the Internet of Things and
Yes.
etc. So as the demand for environmentally product, because of climate change and the effects of
Mm,
the things that we do to the environment, is your company making some strategy towards, in that direction, like producing more sustainable and eco-friendly cables, for example?
yeah. Yeah, of course, we are absolutely we are proud of sharing some significant portion of customer in European countries because we're selling some environmental friendly products to them, and in fact, we have already supplied out the plastic free products, and we actively encourage all our customers to embrace this trend. And furthermore, we have plans to expand our range of environmental friendly products in the world because, just like you said, our natural resources is limited, and
Yeah,
also the global
completely.
change can cause a
Mhm.
lot of issues. So I think our products is heading to this new trend and hope our customer can buy more environmental friendly products from us. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Simone. So let me just call on our other guests, Grace and Christina.
Yeah,
Okay,
hi.
welcome back to the live panel discussion. So once again, to all of those who are tuning in right now, this is Supplier Stories, and we're talking about the transformative role of AI in consumer electronics. So if you have any questions, feel free to send them in, and we're gonna be taking answers, getting answers from our guests for today's live session. So now that you're all here, so I have a question for everybody. This goes to everyone, whoever you can answer. Anyone can go ahead and answer these questions. So my first question for the three of you is, what has been your company's experience, with using AI in your products in workflow? I mean, what has surprised you, like the positive, either positive or negative effects of, using AI? Who would want to go first?
Can I
Well,
go first?
Yeah, sure. No need to raise your hand.
Oh yeah, because I don't know how to pop up the answer, so
It's
yeah. I
okay.
would raise my
I
hand.
mean, the three of you can answer these questions, of course, and you just have to like choose among yourselves who's gonna answer first. Okay.
Okay, sure. Thank you. Because our topic is about AI, and as our company, we are focusing on selling and cables. So to be
Mhm.
honest, we are not directly integrated to AI in our products. However, we have put some AI mindset and also workflow in our producing process. So for example, we are using AI based and analytic and analytic.
Analytics. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Predictive
into our
analytics.
database. Yeah.
Mhm.
So for example, if we are producing our products, so basically every product have the barcode and also QR code.
Mhm.
So when we finish the production, so our colleagues will scan the barcode or QR code and also we are using the machines put in our storage place. So we can calculate which products are supplied out and which are still exist. So it's a good management in our producing process, and also we can use less humans and also colleagues in our factory sites. Yeah, this is our using the AI base in our factory.
So
Thank you.
basically, it's more on the logistics side of
Yes.
your production process that in the
Yeah,
entire
it's
supply
first.
chain in your cabling production that
Mm.
you're using AI technology. So this is what you call this one like the positive effect. So in terms of efficiency, it's more efficient now to locate
Yes.
and track of which products will
Mm-hmm.
be going out to this country, to this market, and which
Mm-hmm.
products are still in production or something like that. Correct?
Yes. Right.
Okay.
Certainly.
Okay. What about you, Grace? Yeah, what has been your company's experience? Like in the development of your products or any of your production process, like your quality control, product development, design, or logistics and warehousing, something like that.
Okay, so the topic AI is directly related to our
Yes,
company because
because
we do have AI
automated
products.
radar. Yes.
Yeah, so people in the world that may have some needs to improve
Mhm.
their lives. So we have the AI technology to improve their lives. So we made some products to be our supporter, such as we have cargo sensor, and for some cargo company, they may have to check the status of their cargo. So we have this
Mhm.
kind of AI technology to detect the space, the status of their cargo inside, so they can easier to maintain these kind of like cargo. And so, as I mentioned before, we have driver monitoring system. It's just like
Mhm.
this one.
Yes, at the back.
Yeah,
Yeah.
installed in your car. So,
Mhm.
and you can like to detect your eyes if you like to fell asleep or something. Then it can give you an alert and warning, and then you can like to pay attention and then to not to make accidents. And so we also have ADAS system for the parking assist or some blind spot detection. And
Mhm.
this kind of technology not only for our like normal cars, we also can use this kind of technology to like autonomous, like the drones and agriculture vehicles like that. So I think that it's a positive influence to us because it can truly improve our daily lives, and it's not for particular people but for everyone can use this kind of technology to make their lives better. And that's my opinion. Thank you.
Yeah, it's more like AI has enabled, manufacturers, specifically electronics manufacturers, to integrate advanced features into their products and make it more intuitive,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. Okay, Christina, your turn.
Yeah, I think our product is very common in your daily life because you use the phone all the time. So the accessory is you have to use that, but so that we are just a product, not really can build in a lot of AI, but we have to communicate with the customer all the time. We have to show and let people know how it's different. For example, I have a lot. For example, here I have a lot of different. For just like that, this is screen protector. If I didn't told you what is that, you never know because you just one phone,
Like a
but you have
saver.
a lot of different choice. So
Mhm.
we think about this problem. I think the AI can solve a lot of problem because that is the basics. You have to the AI can solve the problem, translate the language, a lot of that kind of function. So we are thinking about for the customer support. For example, you have a question, so you want to chat or contact with us. So we think about to use the rubber customer support. Now have a lot of this kind of company, they doing this kind of the product. So we might cooperate with them to do this and building into our website to show and to easy to answer, because we have to sleep every day. So but the rubber customer support, they can do the 24 hours. I think that's yeah, we will do that in the future. Yeah. So for example, like that. Yeah.
Okay, so in terms of like what people, or in this case, retailers and buyers, misunderstood about AI. So what are the misconceptions about AI? Because you often heard that about AI replacing humans eventually. So what are other uh, misconceptions you can think of or have you heard of from your buyers or customers?
Well, not even the buyer. For me, I feel like, oh, AI can do anything. For my boss, AI say can do anything. No, it cannot do anything. It's
Saves
just
the day.
yeah, it's only can separate the important thing or regular thing or just data mining. This kind of difference, because we need to we need to eat. People need human need to eat, need to live, a lot of different things. But if some intelligent idea, you have to deep and mining a lot in detail. So you use some technique to combine them. I think this is a very good idea, but it cannot do anything. I think, for example, I saw a special software in the market. You just take this picture, just take the picture and put the picture into the system, and you just tell them, say, I want a sunny day with the beach and a very special color, and then it's come on a special picture for me. That's very, I have to say, first time I saw that, I really can't believable. I think we will lose a job. No, I think we create a system to do that. So people, you have to use your brain to know how it works and to come out the more and intelligent and the more smart and for your daily life. Just only that. So no worry for that. Yeah, for me.
Okay, what about you, Simone?
Yeah, I totally agree with Christina. I think AI is not to replace us; it's just to enhance us. So, because we think the AI cannot create like doing creativity. We just give him some options, and then they separate all the options. Yeah. So I think what human beings can do, but AI can't do, is creativity, empathy, and also critical thinking. Because we always give him some the dots, and the AI just only to connect it all the
Connect the
dots.
dots. Connect the
Yeah,
dots. So we feed the data to them, like
yes.
input some like some ideas, and this is what we
Mm,
want to do items, and
yeah,
then just let the AI do
yeah.
its thing.
Yeah, just like
Okay.
our factory, we want them to analyze the logistics, the goods, how many the
Mhm.
goods are still existing in our factory. We give him the ideas, and they do the after works. Yeah, so it's not all the stuff needs AI. I mean, AI just to support us, not to replace us. Yeah, this is what we
Yeah.
think.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. What about your Grace?
Okay, so for me, I totally agree with Simone and Christina's opinion. And I think that AI, many people may think that it's like a magic, like Santa Claus,
Yeah, it
whatever,
is.
and it can make your dream come true. But actually, it does have its limitation.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Yes.
because AI actually is made by human, like to use the
Mm-hmm.
data, use the calculation. So I think that might can do many things, but it cannot replace human beings because we have our imagination that AI doesn't have. So I think that we could be a good like cooperation, like it can be a good helper
Balance.
to make our life to a better place, but we can be partner, not just replace our um, our human being like that. Thank you.
Yeah, I totally agree. Okay, that's the last question before we wrap up today's live panel discussion. So, in your opinion, what should buyers do, like be doing right now as a response to the role that AI will have in a year or several years from now? So, what should buyers be doing right now to respond to this role of AI? you know,
Well,
several
I
years from
think
now, or a year from now.
I think that's a very interesting topic because we might not know how it can work. A lot of things we don't know, and people think. So we will find that. And for my opinion, for my customer, I will say that please try it. Or even you have something interesting, please let me know. I want to know that as well. Because I cannot contact all of the thing in the world, right? Maybe if you got some idea, intelligent idea, or even you think that's very special, you let me know. I can maybe I told my boss he will change another strategy to fix that to change that. I think that's very interesting and. I look forward a lot of things like that. Yeah, for the AI, I think we have to use that in our daily life. It can save your time, but you can get more time to to your friend or family. That's good. Yeah, that's really good. Yeah.
So you're saying that buyers should start, especially for those who haven't, adopted yet AI
I
into
think I
their
think not. I
business
think not.
operations. They should start,
Yeah.
integrating them and,
Yes.
adopting them into their, workflow.
Yes, yes. I think a lot of buyer not really want to change. They just
Yeah,
want to
yes.
maybe
Yeah.
yeah, but most of them they don't want to change. They just want to follow and keep. But the keep is just stop on that point. So you have to look forward and change our. You have to change your mind and follow that. Not really everything you can do that. You just
Mhm.
you have to know the idea. I think that's good. Yeah.
Yes, okay. What about you, Grace?
So, my opinion is that AI may be mainstream in the future, and I think that
Yeah, that's I
everyone would
agree.
have great expectations on it. So, I think that we can like to think about how what function that could really improve our life, and so that we can have these thoughts, and then we can make make these thoughts come true by AI technology too, because we have needs, so we create AI. So and I think that it's a good way to like to think about what we need, and then we can like to make these goals come true. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Simone.
Yeah, because we are preparing to enter a new AI era. So I
Mm-hmm.
think before that, we need to have three mindsets. It's just my opinion. First, we need to educate them. like educate the buyers so about the markets, because you know, like buyers, they usually buy the things they usually buy. So we need to educate them that we are using the AI driven products, and also the products are related to AI usage. So we need to know that it can boost the efficiency for them. Yeah, the secondary is understanding of aesthetic consideration, because we know nowadays we are more care about our privacy. Sometimes because AI needs lots of amounts of database, so it might hurt our privacy. So we need to know the balance between AI usage and also the buyer's privacy. Yeah, this is what we need to know before we using a lot of AI products and also um, AI products. Last but not least, we think we have to stay updated, not only just the buyers, but also the producer, because we know that AI are rapidly evolving. So we need to know what's the trend. For example, our products, SPE cables, like we are developing the connection with the EV, IIoT, and also intelligent buildings. So we need to keep ourselves stay updating to know what's the application is, and also our buyers' needs, and what's the best for both of us. Yeah, this is three points we like to highlight. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. That was really very insightful. I've learned a lot from all your, from this exchange of ideas on, on the role, the crucial role of AI, that AI plays in the, especially in the consumer electronics industry. It's very interesting to know that, most of you have been using it, but at the same time, striking a balance between not overusing it
Mm,
and just using it to make sure that to improve production efficiency and being flexible in your supply chain in the process of manufacturing these products. Okay, with that, we're going to before we end this live, I would like you to invite once again all our buyers, our audience, to check out your websites and your products. So if
mhm.
they're interested, they can just check what products they can source from your company. So maybe just a short invitation once again. Let's start with Simone.
Yeah, yeah. So if you are interested in every cables, a lot of solutions, feel free to ask us, to approach us. We are so welcome for you. Thank you.
Christina.
Yeah. Well, our company, the core of value, we say that best is what suits you. So not everything. So you just choose the best is what suits you. That's our value core for you. So if you're interested in Hoda, we from Taiwan, and welcome to visit our website. Yeah.
Grace.
So we have wide ranges of application of automotive area. So if you have any interest in our products, like we'll have from radar, clouds to AI, we all have these kind of products. So if you have interest in our products, please visit our website. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you again and in other upcoming events. Thank you once again.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hello.
Thank you. Bye
Thank you,
bye.
everyone.